Can I reset or repair a deployed airbag?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an important aspect of automobile safety, airbags. Specifically, we're going to answer the question, can I reset or repair a deployed airbag?
What happens when an airbag deploys?
Before we can answer our main question, we first need to understand what happens when an airbag deploys. Airbags are crucial components of a vehicle's safety system. When a collision occurs, the vehicle's sensors trigger the airbag's inflation mechanism, causing the airbag to deploy rapidly and provide a cushion for the occupants. After the airbag has been deployed, it cannot be reused. It's designed to be a one-time use safety device.
Can I reset a deployed airbag?
The answer to this question is a resounding no. Once an airbag has been deployed, it cannot be reset or reused. The airbag, its inflator, and the crash sensor must be replaced. Why is this? Well, the technology and materials used in airbags are specifically designed for a single use. Attempting to reset or reuse an airbag is dangerous and could result in the airbag not performing correctly in the event of a subsequent crash.
Can I repair a deployed airbag?
Again, the answer to this question is no. Airbags cannot be repaired after deployment. Once an airbag has deployed, the entire airbag module, including the bag, inflator, and sensor, must be replaced with new parts. It's important to note that this process should be carried out by a professional mechanic or technician who is trained in vehicle safety systems. Airbags are complex, sensitive devices that, if mishandled, can result in injury. We hope this video has clarified your queries regarding airbag repair and reset. The bottom line is, a deployed airbag cannot and should not be reset or repaired. Always prioritize safety and ensure that any replacements are done by trained professionals. Remember, your life and the lives of your passengers may depend on the proper function of your vehicle's safety systems, including airbags. Stay safe on the roads.